Hello students, today we discuss another question of sociology. Describe the scope or subject matter of sociology. In this question, we first write about the definition of sociology, what the sociology is all about. Sociology is systematic study of society, relationship between the individuals and the problems of the society and how these problems provide a solution to the human being. This is all about the aspect of the sociology we have. Sociology as a discipline emerged in the 19th century. Basically, it's all about the changes in the Europe. It study about all the concept that how these changes take place and what's the sociological impact upon the human being that they thinking radically and neglected the authorities of the church. This is a little bit introduction. After that, we write about the main pattern, that what is the scope of the subject matter of the sociology. The first scope of the sociology is that the first point is it is studied the relationship among the individuals. The basic aspect of the sociology is that it is studied the relationship among the individuals and how the course of the interrelationship develop a sort of relationship between the peoples, understanding the culture, norms, belief, religion, etc. Second scope of the sociology that we have, it gives a direction to the human being. Sociology gives a direction to the human beings by understanding the various perspectives, socialization, modernization, westernization, and inculcate the cultures, norms, and beliefs among the people so that they knew the things, how the pattern of behavior they follow in the society. Third thing is that sociology follow answers to our basic problems. Through the study of the sociology, it provides a framework for the answers of the various problems. Fourth thing is that it basically tells us about the religion, customs, norms, beliefs, hierarchy. Above all, the basic aspect of the sociology is that it develops the relationship among the peoples, it guides the individuals towards how the pattern of the behavior and the trend followed in the society, and overall it gives a direction to the human being over all the basic societal problems that he is facing, and the sociology is being a guiding force for providing him a solution of that all sorts of the problems. Thank you all.